Hello, welcome to EV Cars. In today's automotive world, physical buttons are disappearing at an alarming rate. With the rise of touchscreen technology, everything from climate control to music selection is now just a tap away. But the question remains, is it safe? The rise of touchscreens. To understand why physical buttons are vanishing, we must first look at the rise of touchscreen technology in cars. Touchscreens offer a sleek and futuristic appearance, allowing for more intuitive and versatile interfaces. Car manufacturers argue that touchscreens provide a better user experience, but are they really as safe as the old physical buttons? The safety debate. One of the biggest concerns with touchscreen interfaces in cars is distracted driving. Studies have shown that using touchscreens while driving can significantly increase the risk of accidents. The problem with touchscreens is that they require visual and cognitive attention, which can divert a driver's focus from the road. The search for balance. Car manufacturers are aware of the safety concerns and are trying to find a balance. Some are incorporating voice commands and haptic feedback to make touchscreens safer and more user-friendly. Additionally, advancements in driver assistance technology aim to reduce the need for manual controls altogether. The future of car interiors. As we move into the future, car interiors are evolving rapidly. Concept cars are showcasing augmented reality displays, potentially revolutionizing the way we interact with our vehicles. As we navigate this evolving landscape of car interiors, one thing remains clear: safety should always be a top priority. Whether it's through innovative technology or a return to some trusted physical controls, the automotive industry must find the perfect balance. The disappearing physical buttons in cars may be a sign of progress, but the road to safer, more intuitive interfaces is still under construction. While touchscreen technology offers convenience and modernity, the debate over its safety continues. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the touchscreen revolution in cars. Stay tuned for more insights into the ever-changing world of automotive technology. So, are we ready to embrace a buttonless future, or should we reconsider the value of physical buttons in our cars? So, subscribe to EV Cars for all thing EV all week. Join the discussion and share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, drive safely. Don't forget to like and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in automotive technology.